Hey, this is our kitten, Mikey Jr. under Trevor's shirt, and she won't come out, even though he's gotten up, got to go to the bathroom and everything. She will not get out of his shirt. Sweetheart, kitty. Come on, baby. Come on. She won't get out of there, Trevor. She said, I'm not helping her get out because I'm on her side, not yours. She's in charge. All right, baby.